Hello. Today we'll be covering an important topic under algorithms, and this subtopic is called string matching. So what string matching is about is basically allowing us to do Control F properly. So let's say if you are given a long piece of text, and then let's say we press Control F to find the pattern DEF. So it's quite obvious to see that there are two occurrences of DEF over here. So now the thing is, how does the computer do it? Well, there are many different ways to do so, but we'll be focusing on three main algorithms today. So the first algorithm is called the naive or brute force algorithm, and it's normally the easiest to come up with, but also the least efficient in terms of time complexity. Which is why another algorithm called the Waring Cup algorithm was invented, which is more efficient than the first one, as it is able to reduce the number of comparisons needed. And lastly, we have the Boyer-Moore algorithm, which is the most complicated out of the three and is able to reduce the number of alignments needed. And there are two versions. The first is the full version, and the second is the partial version, also known as the horse-pull variant. Now, for all of these three algorithms, we'll just be using the premise that we are finding the first occurrence of the pattern within the text. So in this case, once we find the first occurrence of DEF, we can stop the algorithm, because we can apply the same logic for the second, third occurrence, so on and so forth. And now, food for thought. You may be wondering whether the Boyer-Moore algorithm is the most efficient out of these three. And this is something that I won't answer for now. You can ponder on it first, and we'll get back to that at the end of the lecture after we've covered through all of these three algorithms. And in case if you still do not understand what I mean by number of comparisons and number of alignments, do not worry, because you will understand them when I cover the three algorithms here respectively. Okay, that's all for now. Thank you.